Wait, are you still doing this? No. Do you know that in Excel you can open your Excel workbook by simply pressing Ctrl Alt and P on your keyboard, and you don't have to use your cursor or anything. Let me show you how. What you need to do, go to your Excel first. Here you can see it on the screen. Make a right click and go to Properties. Under this shortcut key, you can make a shortcut as per your own requirement. Like if I wish to make a shortcut of Control Alt and letter Q, I will do this and I will click on Apply and then OK. As soon as I'm going to click these three keys on the keyboard, I will have my Excel open. Just give it a try and like the video if you learned something new today.